Welcome. In a previous video, I replaced the stylus on my Audio-Technica ATL P120 USB, and it was bent, but it was also a little dirty. So I found this product on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description of this, and if you buy using my link, it helps me a little bit, but doesn't cost you anything extra. So I have this little stylus cleaner here, and this is like a very, very fine brush. It's kind of hard to see the bristles on here. And to clean your stylus with this, you just go under the stylus and gently go up and brush it, away from the back. You don't want to push this way; it'll bend it. But you do that, and these tiny little brushes will clean any dust or lint off. So that should hopefully help keep my stylus clean. I've actually read some things where they say you should clean it in between sides of the record. So I don't know if I'll clean it that often, but I probably should. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And if you like this video, please click like. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.